Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time we will learn how to design a simple part. The part is clamp bracket. Just start it, open SolidWorks. We start from front plane, so right click on the front plane and click sketch. We start from here, the front plane. Make two circle, so select circle, draw like this, and set the dimension. In here you use millimeter unit, so the first circle have diameter 60 millimeter and second circle have diameter 70 millimeter, like this. Then just to go to feature and extrude boss, for direction we change in mid plane, and for the thickness in here is 44 millimeter. Just input 44 millimeter, click OK. Like this. We want to make a sketch in here like this. So in here have a distance 6 millimeter. Go to feature and click reference geometry, click plane. We want to make a new plane. For first plane, select this face and reverse direction with checklist in flip offset in here. But in here the distance is 6 millimeter. Change in here 6 millimeter, just click OK. We just make new plane. The name is plane 1, so right click on the new plane and click sketch. Start from center line like this, draw to the top, ensure in here make vertical like this, then set the high or the center line. This center of hole and this center of hole in the circle have distance 42 millimeter like this. So input in here in 42 millimeter like this. Then draw length this to this like this. Ensure this line to make vertical, this line to make horizontal. We can see in here the total this face to this face is 32 plus 3 plus 32 is 67. So click smart dimension, click this line and click this center line with shift on your keyboard or click shift on your keyboard. The total is 67 millimeter. The total in here to here is millimeter because in the center have a cut in 3 millimeter like this. After that we just to mirror entities. Entities mirror, click this line and mirror about, choose this center line. Just click OK like this. Then convert entities for this edge or this circle and click OK. Trim entities, this line and this line below, just click OK and click extrude boss. For direction we change in the blind and click reverse direction in here. The total in here the thickness is 28. So input in here 28 millimeter. Just click OK and done. Like this, we can hide this plane. Click this face and right click and click sketch. And draw 3-point arc. This point to this point. And then okay. Then set the dimension for radius in here is 14 like this. Make a line, draw this point to this point, and go to feature and click extrude boss. Reverse direction, for direction we change in through all, just click OK. Sorry, for direction we can change, edit the feature. Sorry, the direction we can change in blind, the total in 67 like this. Just click OK and done like this. Click again this face, right click and click sketch. To make hole, select this circle, then ensure choose from this point or the center in here. Then set the dimension. For dimension of hole is diameter 12 millimeter. Just click OK and go to feature, click extrude cut. Direction is through all and just click OK and done. Don't forget in here have a cut. The distance is 3 millimeter in here. The width is 3 millimeter. So click this face, right click and click sketch. Draw corner rectangle like this and ensure this center and rectangle and this point click make vertical. After that, set the dimension in here in 3 millimeter. Go to feature and click extrude cut. For direction is through all and just click OK and done. Like this, so simple. After that, we can see again in here we want to make part like this. So the distance is same is 6 millimeter in here. So we can click again the plan one and click sketch. Draw center line again from this to this in here. We can see in here the total this hole, the center to the bottom edge is 105, but we just do make line until this face. So 105 minus 10 is 95. Input in 95 millimeter. So draw line like this. Sorry, we can change again. Draw line to this. Then set the dimension in here. The total, the width in here is 60 millimeter. So click this line and click shift on your keyboard and this line input in 60 millimeter. So simple. Ensure this line click make vertical. And mirror entities, this line, and mirror about click this center line. Just click OK. And convert entities for this edge. Let's click OK and trim entities, this and this. After that, go to feature and click extrude boss. For direction, we can change in blind like this, reverse direction like this. The thickness is 6 millimeter. Just click OK. After that, in here have a radius 5 millimeter. Click a fillet and input in 5 millimeter for fill parameter. Click this edge and this edge like this. Click OK. And click again this face in bottom. Click this face, right click and click sketch. Like this, you want to make in the top and bottom sketch like this. Click corner rectangle, draw like this. Ensure the center of corner rectangle, click and the center this part. Click make vertical. Then click this line and click this edge. Click make collinear. Sorry. Click this and let's click make collinear like this. Then set the dimension for length in 120 millimeter and for width is 42 millimeter. Just click OK. And don't forget in here have a fillet radius name, radius 6 millimeter. Just click sketch fillet. If the diameter is 6 millimeter, click this point. Just click yes. This point, click yes, and this point. Just click OK. 6 millimeter, and draw again center line from the center part. Draw to the bottom like this. Center line extrude, like make vertical. Then make circle to make hole. The hole diameter is 15 millimeter, like this. Then for the stand in here in 21 millimeter. So this line to this line is 21 millimeter, like this. Because we in here is this face, so the center this line is 21 millimeter, and the distance for each hole in two hole in between two hole in 90 millimeter. So click this center and click shift on your keyboard, click this center line and input in 90 millimeter, like this. So simple. After that we just mirror entities this circle and mirror about, click this center line and just click OK. Go to feature and click extrude boss. For thickness is 10 millimeter in here. Just click OK. Don't forget in here have fillet radius is 16. Click fillet and fillet parameter change in 16 millimeter for radius. Click this edge and click this edge. Just click OK. We can see in here have like a rib. So click this face and right click and click sketch. Draw corner rectangle and this ensure the center to this point, center point, and click make vertical. The width is 6 millimeter and the distance, this line and this line have distance 20 millimeter. Then convert entities this edge and just click OK. Trim entities this and this. Just click OK and exit sketch. After that, click top plane, right click and click sketch. Draw corner rectangle again from this point to this. Ensure this center and this, click make vertical and the width is 6 millimeter. Click OK. Then go to feature and click curve and click split line. Selection is current text, current sketch and face. Just click this face or this cylinder. Direction is single direction to the bottom in here, ensure and just click OK. And then we just to use like this and use left boss in here and click profile, click this face and click this sketch and done. We just to make rib like this, just click OK and done, like this. So simple. And in here have like rib again in here. So just to make again top plane, right click on top plane and click sketch. Draw in here, draw center, draw corner rectangle this to this, like this. Ensure this corner rectangle and this point, click make vertical. Then click this line and this edge, click make collinear and set the dimension for width in 6 millimeter, like this. So simple. After that, go to feature again and click curve again, click split line and for face click this cylinder and click this face. For checklist in single direction to the bottom and just click OK. Okay, and done. We just to make two face like this. Then click left boss again. For profile, click this face and click this face and just click OK. So simple to make clamp bracket like this drawing. We just to change the color of the part, change the color, maybe in like this, red, and change the color again in white. For face, the whole, this whole, this whole, this whole, and this whole, this cut, and this cut. Just click OK, and then it's so simple to practice, especially for beginner in SolidWorks. I apologize if there any mistake of error in this material. Thank you for watching until the end video. Thank you very much, and see you in next tutorial.